Part 284, C3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3p38d19d4. Just so you know, the last three videos all have formulas in them, and we're just continuing the formula because it's so big. Okay, so this is line 22f1fa19c3m, 1b7c8e13c9c6d3p38d 19d4 Hertzian Dipole nanowires formula 5G Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal. There we go. So this is a Hertzian Dipole nanowires formula for long-distance deep space communication signals for a UFO spaceship from the WOW data. February 24, 2013. Today's March 11th. So we're still working on some keywords, and so I'm going to review where those came from for anybody who's just joining us. Martensite-austenite crystals is from a previous video, line 22, F1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3p38d13. Nano carbon steel metals UFO 5G Wow Seti. That keyword from that data was Natrolite to Zincblende structure. Then we went to cubic crystal system, tetrahedral coordination, create a dipole, and dipole antenna. And those were in line 22, F1fa19c3m, 1b7c8e13c9c6d3p38d19. Tetrahedral coordination magnets UFO 5G Wow Seti. Next we did the dipole antenna, elementary doublet, and Hertzian dipole in line 22, F1fa19c3m, 1b7c8e13c9c6d3p38d19c. Dipole antenna radiation signals 5G Wow Seti. March the 9th, we worked on the Hertzian Dipole, which we're going to be on for a while because it's got lots of stuff. Line 22, F1fa19c3m, 1b7c8e13c9c6d3p38d19d1. Hertzian Dipole loop patterns 5G Wow Seti. Then the formulas from the data in the video and in the previous video were in line 22, F1fa19c3m, 1b7c8e13c9c6d3p38d19d2. Hertzian Dipole magnet transformer 5G Wow Seti. We found out L equals the length of wire, so we put nano, micro, or fiber optics around the loop. We create a semiconductor with a Higgs field, and so we want to see the WOW formulas found in lines 22 data for electromagnetic. So that's what came to mind when I was looking at this. So March 9th, my thoughts. So to Google to find the exact word, and I found it to be electromagnetic. So the keyword Hertzian Dipole formulas continue from previous video, line 22, F1fa19c3m, 1b7c8e13c9c6d3p38d19d3. Hertzian Dipole loop formula 5G Wow Seti. There's our picture. And there's quotes and wikis. The diagrams are from wiki as well. So the keyword was electromagnetic. So let's take a look at that again. A magnet consisting essentially of a coil of insulated wire wrapped around a soft iron core that is magnetized only when current flows through the wire. Source of electromagnetic quote was from www.answers.com. Okay, March 9th. Formula from the data continues. N times the circumference. D equals diameter of wire, so that's nano, micro, fiber optic. F is the signal frequency. Sigma equals conductivity and metal wires. So the metal wires would be the WOW data keywords: copper atoms, nanowires, microwires, fiber optic wires, and L-Shelby twist. My thoughts. Take the metal wires formula found in the WOW data of all wires and use the Shelby twist design to create one large thread. Connect these with the nodes in the tetrahedron triangle design. Cross-reference nodes lines 1 to 27 in WOW data. Use these metal wires for the long-distance communication signal device found in the UFO spaceship's formula. WOW data cross-reference lines 1 to 27 for all metal wire keywords from this formula. Add to water, vapor inventions, patent ideas, and WOW formula cross-reference those too. March 9th, formula from the data. Resistive losses, antenna gain, small loop, Hertzian Dipole, 1.75 dB. Effective gain, reduced power dissipation, resistive losses. Conventional losses, radiation efficiency factor. Antennas gain, effective area degraded factor. Compared, perfect antenna, same directional behavior. Dipole real resistance, higher value, radiation resistance, loop K value, Higher values plus Hertzian Dipole ferrite rod. Google the keywords dissipation, lambda, ferrite rod. Diagram from wiki. R is radiation. Resistance from algorithms found in the data. And March 9th, my thoughts. Again, we see R in this data. It's talking about radiation resistance. Not sure if this will be added into the alien astronauts math equations from line 17T2b. Videos found in the WOW data. I'm going to cross-reference lines 1 to 27 for radiation loop resistance and add to the formulas. Keyword Hertzian Dipole plus its summary will be in the next video, so it's a continuation of this video. Okay, so thanks for watching.